With cases and hospitalizations on the rise again, Multnomah County Health Officials and schools are strongly recommending masking up inside again as outbreaks pop up.
However, this is not a mandate. Fox 12's Drew Marine spoke with a local restaurant about their decision to close this week as they deal with their own outbreak. Drew?
Yeah, Mother's Bistro owner Lisa Schroeder says at this point they have a system for closing and reopening, but wishes there was a mask mandate in place so they could prevent future outbreaks. Lisa Schroeder is no stranger to the challenges that have come with the pandemic. She closed Mother's Bistro for a year because of COVID-19, and for the next week, she's temporarily closing up shop again.
Then about 15 minutes later, I found out that it was also somebody in the kitchen. A key cook in the kitchen. And then 15 minutes later, I found out a sous chef had it in the kitchen. So at that point, we said, no, we're calling it now. It's outbreaks like these that are causing Multnomah County health officials to strongly recommend masking up indoors again, not to mention increasing cases and hospitalizations. A Portland principal says they've dealt with multiple outbreaks at Lincoln High School recently and sent a letter to families strongly encouraging students to mask up on campus, especially if they went to prom or their school play. Students there say it's not a bad idea to mask up again.
We had a prom event. Lots of people got COVID. But recommending students to get masks back on, I don't have any qualms with it.
So I think I'm all right with it. And it's still like we have the choice of masking or not masking.
Multnomah County Health Officer Dr. Jennifer Vines says right now the dominant strain is the BA2 subvariant, saying it's much more contagious than other variants. She says the peak of hospitalizations is expected in early June, and this recommendation is here to help us stay safe until this wave passes. She says it would take a lot for them to reinstate a mandate.
It would really be if we see a significant, game changer with the virus. So, for example, a virus that completely gets around our vaccines and it starts to cause a lot of severe disease again.
Something Schroeder wishes the county would do.
I can't tell people what to do, but if our leaders do, then people are likely to follow. And I think we're all better off wearing masks inside.
Lincoln High School says they have ordered at-home tests for students and staff who've been exposed, as well as tests to use at school. Live in Southeast Portland, Drew Marine, Fox 12 Oregon.
Okay.